Welcome to another episode here on your digital makeover, and in today's quick tip, we're going to go over what? I can't believe it myself, but it's focus mode and using it with specific apps. It's all coming up next. So in today's quick tip, we're going to go over how you can go into focus mode, in a specific focus mode, just by clicking on a specific app. So let's say, for instance, that you are doing some work on your computer, okay? And let's say you have a project that's due, or maybe a assignment for school, and you have to go into Microsoft Word. But you don't want to be distracted, and you don't want to go up here and have to say, okay, which focus mode am I going to go into, right? Now you could do that. Or wouldn't it be cool if you could just click on a app, say Microsoft Word, maybe that's what I have to work on, and it automatically opens up the focus mode that's associated with that Microsoft Word. So let me show you how you do that. You just go right on up here to the Apple logo and go down to System Settings. And by the way, I am in Mac OS Sonoma, just so you're aware. And if you go on down here to focus mode, you had to pick the focus that you want. So let's say I'm doing something for work, so I click on work, right? And you see here it says set a schedule. If you hit add schedule, in here you can select app. So when I select app, it'll open up. And all I have to do is type in, say, Word. So I select Word, hit done. So now anytime that I click on Word, it'll automatically trigger the work focus mode. Pretty cool, huh? So you don't have to think about it. So anytime you go into Word, or anytime you go into whatever app it is that you have associated with a certain focus mode, it'll automatically trigger that focus mode, so you can just do focus work on that app. Pretty cool, huh? Well, anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this quick tip. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified of any new episodes that I have coming out. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week. And I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.